Hey guys! In today's video, I'll show you how you can post a manual journal in Xero. So let's get started. First, log into your Xero account and navigate to the Accounting tab at the top of your dashboard. From there, click on Reports and under the Journals section, select Manual Journals. Now, click on the New Journal button to create a new entry. A window will pop up where you can enter the date and description of your journal. Be sure to enter a clear description so you can easily identify the journal later. Next, you'll need to add the accounts involved in the journal entry. In each line, select the account from the drop-down list, then input the amount for either the debit or credit side. Remember, every journal entry needs to balance, so make sure the total debits equal the total credits. Once you've filled in all the necessary details, you can save the journal entry as a draft if you want to review it later, or you can go ahead and post it immediately by clicking the Post button. And that's it. You've successfully posted a manual journal in Xero. This allows you to record any adjustments or corrections to your financial data that aren't captured through other transactions. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.